One of Hewlett Packard's main concerns today is to develop environment-friendly technologies. These technologies were the ones used to build this first and only existing green data center in Chile, the one we will see here operating at Soluciones Integrales.
Well, Axel, this project has been around about 2 years now, and in the development plan of Soluciones Integrales at that time, we had the idea to build a data center. So we spoke to an HP department of the US which has green IT policies. During that conversation, we found these racks, which actually are not racks. What they are is mini data centers. Obviously, at first, the concept was to live harmoniously with the environment, and also, why not, make it ultra-dense in terms of energy consumption. We then incorporated an ultra-dense electrical engineering project, which had to do with how we managed the energy consumption as efficiently as possible. Which finally means, Axel, that you cannot operate with less energy being consumed. This way, helping to reduce the amount of energy that is generated, you are therefore able to lower your carbon footprint. Who is the data center's number one enemy? What we will use for cooling: water. At this moment, we are in a room in which the only substance we have to cool this equipment is water. You do not see it anywhere, there are no cold or hot air spots, and it is room temperature here.
What traditional cooling systems do is to cool the air in the room. Here the air is cooled inside the rack, which is the source of the heat. Therefore, we are optimizing the cooling system, and we are restricting it to the heat source. This rack is not completely sealed. As you can see, the cables where data is being received are on top, and water pipes below. Since air circulates horizontally and not vertically, there is no air escape. So we can put 3 blade enclosures with 16 servers each in every rack. In summary, this means that I can virtualize 2,000 servers in just one rack. One way the system can auto-protect itself from a disaster, such as, for example, system meltdown, what it does is automatically open the rack doors and allow air to flow rapidly, thus lowering the temperature until a technician arrives. Using current terminology, we can have many thousands of terabytes of storage due to this ultra-dense solution, and taking into account the maximum allowed by HP EVA storage devices. In terms of servers, we could have up to 40,000 servers in this data center. But if we talk about cores, this means we could have up to 12,000 cores per rack in this solution. The technology that we selected was HP Blade servers with Intel Xeon quad-core processors. We chose Intel because of their leadership in this industry. They have developed state-of-the-art technology and products that save energy when using ultra-dense platforms.
People thought this was technological science fiction, but today this technology is available and affordable for clients to protect the environment. I can assure you, Axel, that within 3 years or maybe less, it will be mandatory to have a carbon footprint. One of the problems, apart from being energy efficient, is having an offering that is cost efficient and attractive for customers. For that, being 14 times more efficient in energy consumption, we are able to build a tailored solution for each and every customer. Our offering includes energy efficiency consulting services, where we tell them at day one, this is your energy consumption and your carbon emissions. We monitor them at 6 months, and then after 12 months, we tell them how much they were able to reduce their carbon footprint. With the amount of energy saved, the client is able to pay for the services at this data center. As far as we know and recognized by HP, this engineering project has not been duplicated in any part of the world up to now.